Discussing ideas for the app that we might create, we noted that many of our users and peers do not like or are not good at math. There are some apps that are already developed that are meant to help users improve their math skills, but we didn't find any that completely satisfied us, so we decided to come up with our own app that has all the features that we deem necessary. We decided to call the app NeedHelp. The goal of the app is to help students in any subject that requires math. This includes algebra, geometry, calculus, physics, chemistry, and so on. Each section will have all the equations related to any subject with each equation. Example will show all the steps you take in order to arrive at the correct answer. And when you need an explanation, there will be one showing you what numbers to plug in where. Following these explanations will be a few example problems and an answer. There will also be an option where, rather than looking at example problems, users can choose equations and input their own numbers. As with the examples provided, all of the steps to solve the problem will be shown. It has come to our attention that NeedHelp might be just another tool students can use to cheat on their homework, but we don't think so. Most cheaters only want the answer, but NeedHelp will have no option to skip straight to the answer. Here you can see our app uses the math section of STEM. In this example and walkthrough of the Pythagorean theorem, there's an example question which you can test your understanding of the concept with, and then check your answer. The walkthrough has given you tips and tricks on how to solve this problem, and then you can go back to your options. There also is a proposed science section with things like physics and chemistry, and also more math problems. The audience of NeedHelp is high school and college students who need help with subjects requiring math, but it can be used by anyone who wants to improve their math skills. NeedHelp is appropriate for high school and college students because it will provide explanations and walkthroughs of math, which will be beneficial to students who struggle with math. Users can also connect to social media networks if they like, to see who else is working on the same equations and possibly discuss problems. Our app is meant to give users a positive learning experience outside of the classroom. They'll be able to go at their own pace and do as many problems as they like, which will hopefully help them fully understand the topic they are working on and perform better inside the classroom.
How is the science portion of STEM implemented in this world?
The users of the app will have at least a better basic understanding of mathematical and scientific principles, and in turn, they can have more developed problem-solving skills.
So you have an obvious scientific and mathematical system. So in relation to engineering, how are you using this?
We are implementing problem-solving techniques for the users of this app to solve the problems that they find when in a math or science class. Our app was also engineered over the course of a few weeks using various programs online to see how an app is developed.
Which one of Verizon's 3 pillars of service does our app cover?
Our app is going off of the education side of Verizon's App Challenge by giving tutorials and walkthroughs of most math-related subjects. This will help to educate students and give them a good start for a higher education.
All right, welcome class. I hope you're ready for your test.
The test? What? Wait, what?
Yeah.
What the?
I told you about it yesterday. You did it.
I didn't hear anything about tests.
Well, you can use your phones on it. So
You're joking with it, right?
I am not joking.
It's like that. Like that.
We'll have to edit this.
And your pen.
And start your test using your phones.
Done.
Well, that was fast.
I used an app called NeedHelp to show me how to solve problems.
I bet you could use that for science and even college.
You can. It actually covers all subjects that are